Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I draw these beautiful daisies in watercolor step by step. First of all, I found a daisies reference photo for this painting and then doing some simple sketch. Daisies are in simple shapes, round center, a little pointed round corner petals. So when you do the sketch, you can understand where's supposed to be the shadow parts and where's supposed to be the highlights. I use my waterproof ink pen to do the outline a little bit. According to my reference photo, my daisies are yellow. So I choose lemon yellow, yellow ochre, and amber to color my daisies. After the painting color is completely dried, I use a little darker yellow color to paint some tiny lines on the petals to indicate the texture of the petals. For the leaves, I draw the leaf shape with the green color first and then use a darker color to draw the leaf veins. The leaves and the flowers need to be connected to each other with the stems. Now I do very light water stains for my background. Now you can see that there is something missing in my artwork, which is the darkness. So let's add some dark color to my artworks. Black for the details and outlines, and orange color for the petals shadows. After it's completely dried, let's use titanium white acrylic color to add the highlights to my whole artwork. My signature, this artwork is done. This is the easiest way to paint flowers with watercolor. You can find a good reference photo and try it at home. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. If you like my videos, please follow me with my channel or with my Instagram or Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you next time.